We're going to the second half, third quarter. Torio, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound by Miggy. Outlet pass, steal by number 89. Pass to Buenafe from the corner, no good. Rebound by Miggy. Martinez to Cruz. Cruz, drop pass to Ken. Catch and shoot, yes sir. Ayan na, number 85. Number 89, kick out, Torio, catch and shoot, basket. Mabasa isa ang kalamangan nating Lasal. Ojeda. Hand off to Cruz. Back to Cruz. To Miggy. Back to Cruz. Cruz all the way and one. Assist by Miggy. One shot para kay Cruz for a 3-point play. No good. Rebound by Miggy. Offensive foul. Buenafe. Sorry, that's number 85. Pass to Torio sa gitna. Sa gilid, Roddy. Miggy, outlet pass. Pencan all the way. Grabe. Ang run and gun ang pinapakita ng Lasal. Finding open man. Ayan na. Lanot. Crossover. Ayan na, nakalusot. Tinigay. Torio. Oh. Ay, bumabay Torio. Ojeda. Depensa siya dito ni Lanot. Ojeda. Pinapagpagang depensa ni Lanot. Pass sa Cruz. 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 Pass to Ojeda. To Miggy at high post. Miggy umatake. Nakabuelo. At naipasok ang bola. 39-34. Ayan na ang last Ateneo. Buenafe gets the 3. Goal! Area, jersey number 89, that's Lanot. Wala, rebound by Miggy. Martinez to Cruz. Pass to Thiago. Thiago to Martinez. Martinez for 3. Wow! For Miggy Martinez, 42-37. Number 85. Crossover, pass to Lanot, fake. Tumira sa 3, short, rebound, makakuha ni Pencan. Pass to Cruz, to Ojeda, fake. Fadeaway shot, miss. Rebound by Buenafe. Buenafe, didiskarte. Ayun na si Buenafe, crossover, Dumerecho. Gets a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 82, Buenafe. Wala. Good. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to Buenafe. Gets the three. No good. Another rebound for Buenafe. Number 85 gets the foul. For 2. 39-42. Ayan na. Cruz nakalusot. Libreng-libre doon si Cruz. Yeah, let us see him nandyan for Cruz, the brother. Ayan na, si Buenafe. Kick out to Torio. Back to Buenafe. Buenafe, didiskarte. Buenafe, binigay sa corner. Fake, stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Pencan. Pencan to Miggy. Pass to C. C. As to high post, Miggy. At the post, Pencan, umatake, up and under, too strong, rebound by Torio. Pass to Buenafe. Buenafe. To number 91, the guy, number 1999. To Torio, to Buenafe. Setting on the screen. Buenafe, kick out, number 99, 4-3, wala, rebound. Pakukuha ni Torio. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Miggy. Miggy to Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. Here comes Cruz. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound by Pencan. Nabitawan. Cruz. And gets the foul. On the free throw area. Jersey number 3. That's Chaco Cruz. Buenafe. Here comes Buenafe. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Martinez. Out that pass. Cruz. Thiago all the way. Gets a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 3. Second shot is good. 2 for 2. Uy! Out of bound. Oh, that's an 8 seconds shot clock violation. One minute and 46 seconds. Thiago Cruz on the free throw area. Sorry. Maglalabas. Aquazar, pass to Noah Zamora, pass to Aquazar. Oh, steal. Ayan na, Tadeo, number 90, umatake. Oh! And one. I lose. Grabe naman yan. That's loose on the free throw area for a 3-point play. 41-46. Loose. Ay, wala. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Cruz. To Aquazar. To Enocando at the high post. To Thiago. Thiago umatake. Basket is good. 48-41. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng Lasal Green Hills. Buena Fe. Pumatake rin. Wala. Rebound by Enocando. Pass to Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. Cruz derecho. Umubuka sa ere. Ayan na. Uy, there's a foul. Fighting. Ano, Cruz. (50-41). Pass number 90 to Buena Fe. Buena Fe, running shot. Wala. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Hand off to Aquazar. Setting on the play. Pass to Noah Zamora. To Cruz. To Noah. 4-3. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score of 41 in favor of our Lasal Green Hills. Ay, dito na po sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals? Last year or last season, if I'm not mistaken, sila nagharap ng finals. But this time, semifinals naman sila nagharap. Ngayon, sino kaya ang papasok? Siyempre, wala nang iba pang tayo yun. para madepensahan natin ang ating titulo this season. Okay, fourth quarter. Aquazar. Pass to Noah Zamora. To Meyerhofer. Meyerhofer, wala. Rebound. May number 97. Here comes Buenafe. Look out. Number 8243 gets the ball. On the free throw area, jersey number 82. Buenafe. Hold up. Second shot, basket. Two for three for Buenafe. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Pass to Noah Zamora. Pass to Cruz. Cruz to Aquazar. Hand up to Meyerhofer. To Pencan. To Meyerhofer. Back to Pencan. Pencan. Spin. Drive. Gets the foul. Vitorio. On the free throw area, jersey number 9, Pencan. First shot, in and out. Wala. Let's go, Pencan. Pencan, miss. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Noah, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Ng Ateneo. Number 99. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound by Aquazar. Aquazar nagmamadali. Aquazar. Oh, lifting violation. Kitang-kita yun. Here comes Buenafe. Buenafe, no good. Rebound by Meyerhofer. Pass to Cruz. Cruz nagmamadali. Here comes Cruz. Binigay. Pencan sa loob. Finding open man. Time out. Ateneo. Time remaining 7 minutes and 57 seconds. Time out dito ang Ateneo. ball game. Let's go. Number 85, crossover, kick out. Buena Fe, Mwatake, binigay sa corner. Number 81, basket. Ayan na, Acuzar. Dinidiskarte. Pass to Pencan. Pass to Noah. Noah Zamora. Oh my goodness. Maganda ang pinapakita rito ni Noah Zamora. Get their 6 points this semifinals. Oh, another steal for Cruz. 1-on-1 to Buena Fe. Cruz tumira. Basket yan. 56-45. Ayun na, number 89. Pull up jumper using the board and score. 6 minutes and 30 seconds left. Cruz. Pass to Acuzar. Acuzar. Pass to Noah Zamora at the high post. Binigay sa loob. Pencan to Cruz. Cruz fake. Cruz drive. Up and under and score. Lumalaki na ulit ang ating kalamangan. 58-47. Ayan na po ang Ateneo. Lanot. Floater using the glass at back basket for Lanot. Cruz. Uy, steal. Buena Fe all the way. Akin na to. Time out. LaSalle Green Hills. Time remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals? Madedepensahan kaya ng ating LaSalle Green Hills ang kanilang titulo this season. Let's go, Animo LaSalle. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng LaSalle. Noah Zamora ang mag-i-inbound. Sino tatanggap? Si Almeron. Back to Noah Zamora. Pass to Ken. Ojeda. Ojeda. Back to Ojeda. Pencan, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda, side step, wala. Rebound. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Ateneo. Lanot. Pass number 85. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha natin ngayon. Number 87. miss. Rebound. Number 20, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda na agawan. Lanot. Pass to number 85. What an extra pass. Torio. Ayan na. Baba sa limang. Let's go. Noah Zamora. Pass to Ken. Ojeda. Pass to Pencan. Pencan for 3. Yes! Para sa Atarres. 2 points lang daw po. Long 2 for Pencan. Ayan na. Lanot. Didiskarte. Lanot. Drive. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Oh, steal by Lanot. Lanot. Reverse layup. And 1. Grabe ang batang to. Lanot. Balik sa limang ating kalamangan. 60-35. 55. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds ng ating laban. On the free throw area, jersey number 89. That's Lanot. Kitang-kita yun, ang pushing foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Ojeda. Pass to Miggy. Miggy. Tumira. Basket. Nilapit ni Miggy Martires. Ayan na ang Ateneo, nagmamadali, number 85, floater at nakabawi ron ang Ateneo. Oh, there's a foul. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Cruz, pass to Thiago. Back to Cruz. Cruz. Didiskarte. Umatake. Basket is good for Cruz. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Number 85. Pass to Lanot. Lanot Hesi, steal by Cruz. Cruz, pass to Ojeda. Ojeda, wala. Rebound. Thiago Cruz. Tether put back. Time out. Ateneo. Time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds. 56-57. Tingnan natin ang handle ng ating LaSalle Green Hills. na. Back to the ball game. Outlet pass. Buenofe. Strong drive. Miss. Rebound. Nakakuha ng Lasal. Cruz. Pass to Ojeda. Pass to Penkian. Penkian. Umatake. Walang tawag. Rebound by number 87. Outlet pass to Buenofe. Buenofe and gets the foul. Shots para kay Buenofe. Good. Offensive foul. Time remaining, last 1 minute. Last 43 seconds. There's a foul. Out the pass. Bingi. Pass to Acozar. To Cruz. There's a foul. Last 30 seconds. Lasal Green Hills Basketball. Last 30 seconds lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Cruz. At sa kabila naman po, congratulations, Don Bosco Makati. At sila ang unang pumasok sa finals ng ating 2013 division. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Cruz. First shot is good. Rebound. Number 89. Buenofe for 3. Last 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a good game from both team. Congratulations to our Lasal Green Hills at tayo ulit ay papasok sa finals. Our final score 67-59. Nanalo po ang ating Lasal Green Hills, and a nice game for Ateneo. Alright, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating liga. Ayan, especially sa ating live din. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Kaya Ma'am and Sir Mayor Francis Zamora, Ma'am Carrie, maraming salamat po. Alright, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. At kung gusto nyo pang mapanood ang mga replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, maraming salamat po. God bless.